Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove or delete presets in Lightroom. So first of all, open the Lightroom app and open any images. So for example, open this one, and what you have to do is tap on the presets button on the bottom corner over here. And as you can see, here are all the presets, and if you want to remove them, then you simply have to tap on the three dots that is next to them, and then it will allow you to delete them, which is over here. So simply tap on it and it will ask you for a confirmation if you really want to delete the preset, and if you do, then you can tap on delete, and if you change your mind, then you can tap on cancel. So I want to delete this preset, so I'll just tap on the delete button, and there you go, it will say that preset 2 has been deleted. So that is how you successfully delete a preset. And that's it for the video today. If there are questions that you want to ask, then you can leave them down in the comments below and I'll be answering them. If this video has helped you and you enjoyed it, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as it helps out a lot. And thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.